Hey lippy lovers, welcome back. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Victoria, and today I'm gonna be mixing it up a little bit. Now normally I do makeup reviews and tutorials and I review some other products, but today I wanted to show you guys something really cool I got on Amazon and I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. For those of you guys who follow me on Instagram know that I am super cheap. So when I heard that you could wash your clothes without detergent, I was like, I have to try this. So I got these Wonder Wash balls on Amazon and I'm gonna see if they work because I'm super skeptical, but also I would really like for them to work because then I can stop spending money on detergent. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever even heard of these. I saw them on a TV ad and then this is kind of like another version of them, I think. I don't know. Do you guys think they work? I hope they do. That would be really freaking cool. Okay, we're gonna find out. As always, stick around to the end so you guys can check out who my viewer of the week is. Honestly, I wouldn't mind not having to use detergent, but we're gonna see if these actually clean your clothes. So keep watching to see my review of Wonder Wash balls. Okay, so like I said, I got these on Amazon. It says Wonder Wash, trademark, laundry washing ball, detergent-free washing, 365 cycles per box, safe, easy to use. It says in 100% natural components, environmentally friendly. These are made in Australia. Ooh, okay. Well, wait. Oh, distributed from Australia, made in China. Got it. Now, okay, on here on the end, you can see it has like little beads in it. I have read that the way these work is that they have like these beads in them that hit together and clean your, like create energy that cleans your clothes. I don't know exactly. I'm probably totally making that up and I should probably Google it a little bit more, but I'll put it in the description because I don't freaking know. Okay, so this is what they look like. And you can see there's stuff in it. They smell fresh. Interesting. Okay, and here's another one. I got a green and a purple. They smell really good, actually. I really want these to work. Let's read the instructions because this gets me in trouble. Insert the 2 Wonder Wash laundry balls into the washing machine. As per normal washing, pre-treat any stains with appropriate stain remover. Do not overload washing machine. For best results, fill washing machine to 90% capacity. Wash clothes as per normal wash cycle, as there's no need for a rinse cycle since you may program your machine. Oh, it just says wash clothes as normal, there's no need for a rinse cycle, so you may program your machine to skip. Fabric softeners may be used with the Wonder Wash laundry ball. For extremely dirty clothes, or in cases that require detergent, use 20% of the recommended volume with the Wonder Wash laundry balls. Okay, there's care instructions. I really like how these smell. After washing, remove the Wonder Wash laundry balls from the washing machine and allow to dry. Sun drying the washing balls every month for 2 hours will ensure the long-lasting performance. Oh, okay. Regularly rinse laundry ball to remove any lint. Do not open the Wonder Wash laundry ball. After product lifespan, dispose of the product in a recycling bin. Oh, you can recycle them. That's so cool. I have a washer full of clothes and we're gonna see if it cleans them, including my husband's Spider-Man costume from cosplaying, which gets really dirty. So we're gonna see if these work. I'll check back in with you guys when the load is done and dry and we will smell them and see if they're clean. Okay guys, we got a little bit of everything in here. There's some like rags. These are kind of like the cleaning towels I use. I got these. These are actually produce bags so that I don't have to use plastic bags anymore at the grocery store. And I need to wash these. You know, I got some shirts. So we're gonna see how they do. I literally don't think I can turn off my rinse cycle. Like I've tried like 15 times, so we're just gonna have to let it rinse. Here we go. Let's hope this doesn't turn out to be a bad idea. Okay, y'all, it is the day after I originally filmed the beginning of this video because who actually finishes laundry on the same day, am I right? So I put my laundry in the dryer after I washed it, and I have one of the shirts here. This is one of my husband's shirts. We're gonna do the smell test to see if it actually got clean. So the laundry balls I took out of the washer, they still smell like really fresh. Everything looked clean. It didn't look like it was dirty still, really. This is one of the shirts. I'm gonna smell it right in the armpit. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like detergent or anything. It doesn't smell like the fresh smell, like the ball smell, but I actually think it worked. Like, I'm kind of impressed. I'll have to give you guys an update later, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so that I can update y'all on if I think it's still working and whatnot. But so far, so good. I will say I'm very surprised. I really didn't think it was gonna work out. I will put the link for these guys in the comments below so you guys can try them out as well if you want to. This could be a game changer. Any products that you would like to see me review or try out that you're skeptical about as well, leave me a comment below and let me know. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. If you guys haven't seen my first impression of Summer Treat Lip Scents yet, be sure to click the link on the right to check it out and click below to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a first impression of Summer Treat Lip Scents. So let's just go for it and try on Summer Treat. It's not like that bubblegummy look, like it's really like a jewel tone almost.